Hi, in this video we see how to make a floor puff without spending much. Here I am using a fabric like this. It is cotton and polyester mix material. The best part of this project is you can make it without spending anything. It's a good choice to use an unused blanket or there are many other materials like blankets, old curtains, old bed linen, and so on. So the next part is to have a plan. Here I have made a plan like this, so we need to cut a total of 6 pieces. Then decide what size you want. Here I have made a plan for me, and you can use the same plan or you can alter the measurements. Here my plan is to cut 2 pieces of same size, which is a large size. It is 19 inch by 19 inch, and 4 other pieces with the size 19 by 8 inch. The next part is to cut it according to the measurement. So here I'm going to cut the 2 large pieces at first. The 2 large pieces are square shapes, so all the 4 sides should meet in a harmony. Here I am getting out the second square piece by following the first one, same measurement as the first piece. After that, we need to cut the 4 other pieces, which is rectangular shape. The size I'm following is 19 by 8 inch. Now I have 4 rectangular pieces of the same size and 2 square pieces of the same size. Now I'm going to work on it and attach all the pieces according to this diagram I'm showing here. Here I'm joining each piece one by one. Before sewing it, I'm going to attach it with the help of pins. If you're out in there with just basic sewing skills, so do I. I use the pins because I'm not a sewing expert. It helps me a lot. It's going to look like this once you sew all the parts together. Now I'm going to sew the four corners together. Just follow the diagram I'm showing here so you can easily understand what I am doing here. And to leave one side open for the zipper. Once you have done that, we can add an opening. So I'm going to attach a zipper. The cheapest way to get a zipper for free is try to get it from your old or unused cushion covers, jackets, bags, things like that. Before I'm sewing it, I got it from with the help of some pins because it will help us to keep it in proper place. Bring the other end and attach the zipper in the same way we have done before. Now we can sew the zipper in place and the three unfinished sides. The last part is I'm going to fill it for free. Yes. And I'm using my unused jackets, blankets, duvet covers and things like that, which really a liability which cannot be given for some kind of charity or things like that because it's really unusable. So I'm going to fill it like this and we're going to need a lot of stuff like that. I think I will be making one more because I have many other unpretty stuff to hide in. So, and you can use it as an underbed storage, so kids can use it to keep their toys and kind of stuff. And here goes something which we can make very easily and out of no cost. So that's it. Try it and like the video, subscribe and turn on the notification. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.